In front of me is Redmi 14C, and today I would like to show you how you can operate the voice recorder. Begin by opening Recorder app and tapping on red button to start recording. To pause it or unpause it, click on the left one. To add a bookmark, on the right one. And to end it and save it, on the middle one. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. To play it, click on it. To manage it, use all of those options. To rename it, hold it over here, select rename and type in whatever you want to. And last but not least, to get rid of it, hold it again. Hit delete in the pop-up and confirm your choice in the second one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!